the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM Downtown. And also, do check out the summer raffle promo happening at Royal Duty Free. This is from March 16 to May 25, 2024. Get ready to reach new heights with Royal Duty Free summer raffle promo March 16 to May 25. Every 500 peso purchase earns you an e-raffle coupon. So elevate your chances also by using the Gold Royal Privilege Card and purchasing from the sponsors' products, giving you extra coupons, okay? Worth over 700,000 pesos of prizes. Soar into summer with Royal Duty Free. Check out their official social media pages and the official website, of course, www.royalsubic.com. 252-3258 landline hotline number for more inquiries, okay? And right about now, people, we have our guest here at the station. For those who are viewing us live worldwide on the live streaming site, as you can see, ayan, daming tao, no? Kita nyo? Ayan, kayo yan. You guys can see it there. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Okay. Ayan! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the students from LaSalle College Antipolo. Yay! Did I get it right? LaSalle College Antipolo. Ayan. Welcome to 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Yeah. All right. So, may gusto kayo i-promote, pare ko? Ano pa promote? Lapit ka sa mic. Yan. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, welcome to 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. This is the official station of the SBMA, the Subic Bay Freeport. Ayan. Jointly owned and operated by SBMA and PBS, Philippine Broadcasting Service. Okay. So, how was your trip? Okay ba? Ayos ba? Ay, oo, grabe. Well, nowadays, ganun talaga. You guys been to Iba, Zambales? May napadaan ba? Kahapon, ang heat index doon, 53 degrees Celsius, Mario Joseph. Yung 40 plus, ang init-init na yun, no? Pumipti pa. Bumonos pa, no? Okay. So, kamusta ang, ang Antipolo LaSalle College? Kamusta ang school nyo? Ayos ba? Mainit din. Pero air condition naman bawat room, di ba? Hindi ba? Okay. Pero college, no? May college students din doon, tama ba ako? Or wala na. Yung hanggang STEM lang and grade 11 kayo, di ba? Then afterwards grade 12. So kung magka-college kayo, hindi na doon, ibang school na. Tama ba? Ayan. Okay. Pero may iba pa rin namang LaSalle College na pwedeng kung saan pwedeng mag-college sila, no? Yeah. Okay. Pero for LaSalle College Antipolo, sa other parts of Rizal, may LaSalle College pa rin ba? Or yeah. Saan po yung iba pang school ng Saan yon? Saang part ng ng Rizal siya? Kasi Antipolo is the province of Rizal, tama ba? Yeah. Yun. I got relatives there in Cainta. Yan, mga relatives natin. Yan. Okay. Tapos may tanong ako, totoo bang pagpupunta ka ng Antipolo, bawal kang magsuot ng polo? Parang gano'n. May nagtanong na sa inyo yan? Wala pa. Ako pa lang, no? Kailangan ko patent na, no? Ang dami ko nang tinanong, hindi alam yung joke na yan, eh. Yun. Tapos yung kainta naman, yun yung inaalok mo yung tita mo na kumain. Kainta. Okay. Oh, yan, may nag-joke na sa inyo yan, wala pa. Ako pa lang din. Naku, ang dami kong ipapapatent talaga. Yung niyaya mo yung tatay mo na uminom, shot niya, Tagaytay. Ayan. Talagang ipapapatent ko na, baka maunahan pa ako. Pero kamusta naman ang LaSalle College of Antipolo? Ayos ba? Malaki ba yung campus nyo? Malaki? Yun. Gaano kalaki? Sa sobrang laki ba, pag gabi kailangan isara yung bintana, baka pumasok yung buwan? Parang ganon. Anong kakaiba sa school nyo na masasabi nyo wala sa iba? Yung field, football field, pero isa lang, isang football field lang. Yun. Wow, that's nice. Okay. Ano yung masasabi nyo kakaiba sa school nyo na wala sa ibang school? View. Oh, okay. Wow, view. Lahat pataas. Pagpapasok kayo pataas. Pagpa-uwi kayo pataas pa rin. May pababa na. The joke yun. Pataas papasok tapos pa-uwi pataas pa rin, parang labo yata pababa naman pagpa-uwi. Yeah, okay. All right. So how long, may nakakaalam ba how long LaSalle College of Antipolo has been around? Ilang years na? May nakakaalam ba? Since Yung sasagot naman, pwede bang, gamitin yung mic kasi hindi marinig sa ere, promise. Ayan. Since, sige, lapit mo na sa'yo. Since ano? Since?
35 years daw po.
Ha? Ilan?
35 years.
Since 1985. Oh, pagdating ng 2025, ano na yon? Pagdating ng 2025, 40 years, no? So right now, 39 years. Tama ba? It has been around. Wow. Tagal na pala, no? Tagal na. That's nice. Okay. Ang next question ko would be, kamusta yung canteen ninyo? Masarap ba yung pagkain? Anong pinaka-specialty ng canteen ninyo? Yung laging...
Potato corner.
Hindi pala specialty ng canteen. Specialty ng potato corner. Pre-nomote. Okay. So, pag graduate na kayo, ano yung pinaka-mamimiss nyo sa school nyo?
Si Miss Sensano.
Sino? Pangalan niya tayo. Si? Okay. One of our faculties, ano po? Tama po ba? Hello ma'am, kamusta po? Yeah. Okay. So, alam ko may mga next stop pa kayo, so I'm not gonna hold you long. Maraming salamat. Thank you for dropping by. The LaSalle College Antipolo students here at 89.5. Yay! Can you guys do one thing for me para i-record ko tapos gagawin ko ng part ng stingers natin lagi that would always play. Can you do this for me? Oh, listen. Talaga ginawa live on air, no? We are the umpisa natin sa hi. Hi, we are the students of LaSalle College Antipolo. You are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Kayang-kaya nyo yun. Yung hi, we are the given na yun di ba? Ang sasauluhin nyo lang, you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. O, dali lang, di ba? Kayang-kaya kailangan ba mag-practice pa? Kaya na. O, ulitin natin one more time. Sabay-sabay tayo. Hi, we are the students of LaSalle College Antipolo. And you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. O, kaya na? Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, we are the students of LaSalle College Antipolo, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G.
DJ Tommy G muna. Oh, yun. Okay. Oh, pagdating sa Unity, medyo may problema tayo, no? One more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, we are the students of LaSalle College Antipolo, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Yeah! Okay. Be sure to tune in. I'll use that always, every day in the programming. Ayan. Salamat, kids! Maraming salamat. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping by. Ayan. Let's bring in the 11 more buses, no? De, joke lang. Ilang bus pa yung natitira natin, sir? 2 more. Sige, kayang-kaya yan. Okay. Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat. Alright. So, we will now take the quick top of the hour break. Diyan lang po kayo. Okay, Alice. We will be back with more. Please stick around.
Subic Bay for the best music mix that keeps you riveted to your radio. This is PBS, the Philippine Broadcasting Service, jointly owned and operated by the National Government.